Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Guys, I'm coming to you guys with a Dollar Tree haul. It's going to be a short one. I just went there and picked up a couple of things, for some of my DIY projects. Yes, and I wanted to share with you what I picked up. So, how is everybody doing out there? Hope everybody is doing great. And yes, so let's jump right into this little haul. It's not going to be that long. So, I decided to go in my dollar store. I try to go pick up stuff for my DIY projects every couple of months. So when I went back to my dollar store, we have a very small dollar store, guys. And I ran into my Jenga blocks. Yes, they very seldom have these. When they do have these, I love to stock up on these 100%. So I did get 7 of these bad boys right here. So what is it? For 8 actually. I got eight packs of these Jenga blocks. I already have a little stash in my closet, for my DIY. But when I see them, I always stack up on them because it's always projects you can do with Jenga blocks. All right, guys, moving on. I'm going to set these out of the way here. And the next thing I went and picked up, now this is not at my dollar store. This is at my Home Depot. I have started working with doing a lot of wood projects that I'm going to start doing on camera for you guys. So I went to my Home Depot. I got these painter sticks. These are the what are these? The single. You get 3 of them in a pack. These are 21 inches. 21 inches. So basically, 5-gallon paint. These are basically longer. So I got 4 packs of these. You get 3 in a pack, and they're pretty much thick. So I started buying these. I did purchase a miter box that I use to cut these with. And oh my God, if you don't have one of those, guys, you got to go get one because you could do so many projects with a miter box and these. These are coming out because what I do, I have not told you guys yet. I do make lanterns and I sell those. So I always have to keep, wood on stock. These are like I said, the longer one, 21. It says 21 inches on there. And these are the shorter paint sticks here that I purchased also. These are the shorter ones right here. And yes, let me show you guys. Let me set these up here. I got about, let me see, that's 3. So yeah, I got 6 of these. Now you get 10 pieces of these in here. Yeah, 10 pieces. How long? Where's the, okay, no, that's still 12. Okay, yeah, this is 12. That one is 21. Okay, so yeah, you can see these are the other gallon stick. See how long that is. So yes. So these are only 98 cents, guys, at your Home Depot. So if you are into DIY projects or anything like that, I advise you to go and purchase those. Those are very good. Now, another thing I purchased at Home Depot, let me get these and show you guys this. Like I say, this is going to be a very short Dollar Tree Home Depot haul. This is another thing. You get 30 of these in a pack, and they're the bigger popsicle size sticks. I do like working with these, so when I do make my lanterns, these make a beautiful bottom and top part for my lanterns. So these are 98 cents also for 30 oversized popsicle sticks. Walmart do sell the same thing, guys. But for these, for maybe 10 or something like that in a pack, it's almost $4. So if you are looking for some of these, I suggest you to go to Home Depot or Lowe's, and you can get these for 98 cents also. So I picked up 6 of those. Now, back to the dollar store stuff. I picked up these liners for my cabinet or whatever I'm going to use them for. Sometime I also use these for DIY projects also. So I picked up 2 of these. These, I really like these shelf liners. Yes, they're shelf liners. Yes, and I do have these in my cabinet also. So keep it moving. These are 2 glues I picked up from the Dollar Tree store again. I never use this glue, guys. If you guys ever use this glue, put it in the comment box down below and let me know how did you like it and how do it work. I have not used this glue, and this is craft glue. I have not used this glue. So I bought them both to see how they're going to work. This is kind of a little bit thicker, so I'm going to see, and this is in a clear. So if you guys ever use any of these 2, let me know how they work and put it in the description box for me. All right, guys, these are another things I got from my dollar store. These right here, these are $1. I'm always going to Walmart getting the bigger ones because I do a lot of work with jute string. So I've seen these, and they barely seldom have these too in my dollar store. I do like, the reason why I never really picked these up, this is the first time I'm picking these up at my dollar store, guys, because I thought they were too thin. So I'm going to try to work with these. I'm going to get it open because this is, hang on, guys, this is the first time I will be working with this string because I always, like I said, got the one from Walmart. Actually, it is a nice size. Okay, I didn't know it was like that. I would have been purchasing these. Oh my God. So when I see some more of these, most definitely I will be picking more of this up. Yes. Oh my God. Walmart strain is just a little bit thicker than this. So, wow. This can, do quite a bit of projects. Okay, I'm going to set these to the side also. I got to put all that stuff up in my DIY closet. So, and I was just there, and I picked up these stickers. You know, just regular stickers, guys. We all pick up. I like to pick these up because I would like to trace them. If I'm doing any woodwork, I would put the number on there, trace it, peel the number off, and then paint whatever color I want the numbers to be. And I am looking for letters in this size, but I have not ran into the letters yet. So that is that. Now, another thing I found that I have not seen for a while, guys. These right here. Oh my goodness. I went nuts when I seen these right here. These right here, guys. I got 10 of these. I'm not going to pull them all out. I got 10 of these, and I haven't seen these in a while. So I was like, I gotta get 10 of them. And if they have them next time I go back to the dollar store, I will get 10 more. I do not want to run out of these again. Yes, it was a long wait for these. Yes, they were. Like I said, my dollar store is so small, guys, that they have, very limited things. So I just got this, I thought these was pretty cute, sugar container for my sugar to set by my coffee station, and one for salt and pepper because I do cook a lot, And the little salt and pepper shakers I bought from the dollar store was just a little too little, so I needed bigger ones. And plus, I think I'm going to get some more of these because I do make my own homemade seasoning. And I can start putting them in here because a lot of people is asking me for my seasoning that I make. So that's that. Just bought a hard brush. I do like to buy these brushes. Every time I buy one, my kids steal them from me, so I have to keep buying these constantly. And I bought this little tackle box, toolbox. What I do here is put my nails in here for all of my DIYs. Let me make this back that way. Put my nails in here for my DIYs. I already have one filled up, so I just purchased another one. So I will be filling this up with my nails and everything like that because I done purchased a drill and, you know, all of that good stuff like that. So last but well, two more things. My chopping mat, guys. Yes. How many things, you know, we can do amazing things with these chopping mat, guys. So I got 6 of them. So it's come 2 in a pack. So I got pretty much quite a bit. I do use these when I do make my lanterns. I did a video on making my lanterns. Go back and check out the video. And I use chopping mats in that video. So, yes, guys, I am loving this. I like to stack up like this, guys, because if I don't, I will not go back up. I don't buy stuff all the time. So this, I needed this very, very much so because I use these for my wigs and plus for my regular natural hair when I can't get to Walmart because, like I say, I live in the country. We are very far from Walmart. So this is what I use until I can get to Walmart and get what I use. So I only buy one shampoo. Oh, my God, guys, this smells so good. If you have not tried it, I advise you to try this strawberry. Yes, I didn't even know it smelled that good. Oh, my God. It's infused with strawberry extracts and vitamin E. So the fragrance lasts for 24 hours. Oh my God, this smells so good. Now, I always buy 2 conditioners because we use more conditioners. Then we do the shampoo because we do a lot of pre-washing with my natural hair. So this is one more thing, same thing, but just a different brand, same thing. Waterfall mist. I do love this. This is extracted with vitamin E also. So yes, I'm liking this same thing here. 1 shampoo, 2 conditioners. Yes, we use a lot of conditioner, guys, here in my household, me and my daughter. You know, when you have that natural hair, you got to keep it conditioned and soft. So yes, and plus I use this on my wigs. Yes, the majority of my wigs are human hair wigs, so they do come in handy when I'm washing my wigs. All right, guys, that is it. Told you guys it was going to be a very short video. I just wanted to come on here, say hey, touch in with you, make, you know, contact with you guys, and share with you guys what I purchased today at Dollar Tree and Home Depot. Yes, I will be doing some more DIYs, and I will be back very soon with a everyday makeup video. And I will see you guys and connect with you guys in my next video. Hold your head up and stay blessed out there, guys. God loves you. I love you. And I will see you and connect with you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.